I don't know where my son is, but I have my son, my third son, PJ. He was born. When he was born, he failed his hearing test. He could not hear. Done, dear we? I'm going to tell you how God works. He could not hear. He failed his hearing test. But years as he's growing, years later, yes, come right here, baby. They told us when we got there, they redid the test, and then they found that he failed it. Then after that, they told us, Mr. and Mrs. Pomera, your son is losing his hearing. Will it get better? Or what's going to happen? He's going to have to wear this for the rest of his life? Or what will happen? They told us that it will not get better, that it will progressively get worse. But we serve a mighty God, a God that hears our prayers. We said, we said, all right, we're going to pray, but we'll still get the hearing aids. So we got the hearing aids. He's been wearing them for about a year. But this is the most important part of the story. How God has placed people in my life. I didn't know nothing about hearing loss. I didn't know nothing about it. Patrick didn't know nothing about it. But God, in his almighty, magnificent ways, has allowed people to come in my path. People at work to just speak to me, talk to me. They gave me doctors. They gave me specialists. They allowed. 2 weeks ago, PJ had his appointment. First appointment. Remember, they said every 6 months to a year. Oh, I need you to start praising with me. Hey, béni soit l'Éternel. Béni soit l'Éternel. The results came in. Ay, ay, ay. And I want you to know the results, everything said excellent, 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 excellent. When the doctor told me that it will progressively get worse, but my God said from moderate to mild, returning back to normal. Béni soit l'Éternel. Béni soit l'Éternel. Returning back to normal. That's what God did. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Do you like your hearing aids?
Yeah.
Show it to me. Let me see. Yay. All right, so what do you hear? What are the sounds that you hear?
I can hear you in my voice, and I can hear the rain.
The rain, yeah. You hear it clearly, right? And hearing aids, what do?
They help me hear better.
Yeah. Awesome.